In this module, you will learn about human rights. Human rights refer to the right of every person to live a dignified life without facing any discrimination on the basis of religion, gender, caste, race, or country. Every individual gets human rights from birth. Neither the government nor any organization or individual has the authority to take away these rights. Human rights are universal in nature. Some of the most important human rights include the right to live, the freedom of thought, expression, and religion, the right to acquire nationality, the right of protection against arrest and detention, the right to education. The right to live means the right to live with dignity.
A very good morning to respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Eshita Vamankar from class 2nd A. Today we the students of class 2nd A and C are going to conduct special assembly on human rights. The day is incomplete without our morning prayer. So let's join your hands, close your eyes and start our prayer. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, Holy Omnipotent, Holy Immortal, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Amen.
I come before you today. There's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name and thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Well, I just want to thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Good morning everyone. I am Aviral Pankaj Chokse from 2nd A. Let us understand what are human rights. Human rights are the basic rights and freedom that belongs to every person from their birth till death. Every human is born with this right.
Good morning everyone. I am Divyanshi Verma from class 2A. I will explain about why human rights are important. Human right is important because no one should be abused or discriminated against. Human rights are developed to protect every human from being harmed.
Good morning everyone. I am Yashashvi Jain of class 2nd C. Will explain about why we celebrate Human Rights Day. Every year we celebrate Human Rights Day on 10th of December. It is cannot be given or taken away. This day was chosen to honor the adoption and declaration of the United Nations General Assembly. Thank you. Everyone wants a world without war, looking for the hope, watching a star. Children should play happy. They should not work for the enemy. In the world, we are all brothers, and we should not be rebels. Let us all unite in a big hug, and we give way to peace. Thank you all. Good morning, everyone. I'm Princess Sao of class 2A. I will tell you about type of human rights. Human rights are made for human protection. There are various types of human rights. Few of them are right to equality, right to freedom, right for education, right to freedom of religion.
Hello everyone, I am Shelja Mishra from class 2nd C. Today I am telling about right to equality. Every human should have equal right. Right to equality ensure citizen in turn of caste, race, place of birth, color, etc. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shreya Haidar, class 2nd C. Will I explain about right to freedom? The right of freedom gives citizens basic right of freedom and respect to speech, expression, freedom to live life with dignity. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. I am Amishi Jawar is going to explain right to education. The right for education ensure that every child or citizen should have right to study. Education is not a privilege. It is a human's right. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aviral Gupta from class 2nd C, and today I am going to explain right to freedom of religion. Religion is a matter of personal beliefs and values. Under this act, it ensures equal beliefs, values towards any religion. Every human is free to choose and follow any religion. It should not affect anyone. Thank you.
I hope this video will help to know more about human rights. I am Antha Sanoria from class 2nd C. I will end with a beautiful poem. भूल गए हैं क्यों इंसान सबकी है मिट्टी की काया सब पर नभ की निर्मल छाया यहाँ नहीं कोई आया है ले विशेष वरदान भूल गया है क्यों इंसान. Thank you.